Yeah, hello friends. Sorry for the delay. Today I wanted to talk something about the axis in astrology. In my earlier videos, I have also made some small video on axis, but that was related to the Vedic numerology, like Sun giving one number, Moon getting 2, Jupiter getting 3, Rahu getting 4, Mercury stands for 5 number, Venus for 6, Ketu for 7, and Saturn for 8, Mars for 9. So in that axis video, I said if we see 1 7 axis, then sustainer is source, aligner, and sustainer is 5. So 5 is Mercury. So we have to see Mercury in our chart. So, but that concept was related to that. Actually, today I want to make a part 2 of this. This axis, apart from Vedic numbers, in Vedic astrology also, particularly in Gemini, these aspects are there. So all the 12 Rashis aspect to the fixed signs, all the fixed signs aspect to the movable signs, 12 Rashis, and dual signs aspect dual signs. So for axis, 1 7 axis, the 1 7 axis, so fifth is the point which to be noted. For 2 8 axis, fourth house, and 3 9 axis, sixth house. So 3 9 dual signs, dual sign. So Gemini aspects are there. In Gemini aspects comes in the 1 7, Leo becomes a sustainer. In that video I told source, aligner, and sustainer. So axis, on the axis, pertaining to the axis, which is the sustainer. There I gave some example. Suppose if we are going somewhere to buy some medicine, so medicine is our source. Aligner is where we are getting it, pharmacy. Okay, so we are moving from our house source to our pharmacy, that is aligning. And the sustainer is what? Medicine is available or not. If we go there and medicine is not available, so from our going from home to the pharmacy is wasted. So source, aligner, and sustainer. So this concept in Vedic astrology is also given by Rishi Parashar through Gemini astrology. Char Rashi's aspect into the fixed signs. So this Char sustainer becomes Leo. For this sign, Char sustainer becomes fixed sign Scorpio. For Char Rashi Libra, sustainers become the Aquarius. So the fifth house becomes sustainer for the Char Rashis. For the dual fixed signs, third house becomes the sustainer. Right? So 2x axis, 2 8. So this third house is this Cancer, which is Char Rashi. So Gemini aspect is there. So Gemini aspect is on Libra and Capricorn also. But the sustainer is fourth. Similarly, fifth, Leo, fixed sign. Leo and Aquarius axis. So the Libra becomes the sustainer. Similarly for these things, Scorpio, 2 8 again came, but now it is 8 2. So the third is Capricorn. So Capricorn becomes the sustainer. So although this Scorpio is aspecting Capricorn, Aries, and Cancer, but the third one, Sorry. Similarly, in dual signs, Mithun, Rashi and Sagittarius sign axis, fourth house becomes the sustainer. So in dual signs fourth, in fixed signs third, and in Char Rashi movable signs fifth house. So these three are covered. So this becomes all sustainers, and this axis, and this axis. So this whole part in Gemini is explained. So sixth Gemini Char Karakas, seven Gemini Karakas. Astrology has explained it in his Gemini Chardasha videos. Very nicely explained. So only this 1 to 6, 7 houses are important, not this and this are elaborated there. So they are part of the axis. So 1, 7, this axis part they become axis, this part, this becomes axis for this becomes axis for this becomes axis for this. So this becomes the aligners. This becomes the source, aligners. Atmakarak, Amatikarak, Bhatrakarak, Matrakarak, Putrakarak, Gnatikarak, and Tarakarak. So this is the same concept of axis in Gemini, which I give hints through Vedic numero also in my earlier axis video. So I am elaborating in this video, this formula, this thing. Now the axis fell on the Sagittarius and Mithun Rashi when the pandemic started. So the sustainer was what? Pisces sign. So suffering Pisces sign, 12th house. Sustainer become the 12th house. All hospitalizations, everything. So this formula is working if you observe it. Eclipse, when Rahu Ketu do eclipse, then see where the sustainer sign is falling. Kakpurush Kundli, when this eclipse happened in 2019, and the sustainer was Pisces sign. So until the Jupiter goes into the Pisces sign, Lord of this Sagittarius where the eclipse happened, people are not going to come out of the corona pandemic. At that time I told my friends, let Jupiter go to the Pisces sustaining zone, then it will be all freed. And now Jupiter, at that time people were telling, I was telling them 2022 when the Jupiter goes into the Pisces will be relieved after June, July Pisces. They were telling you are too far because Jupiter has to cross all sides. Saturn signs, Saturn was there during the eclipses. So this is one big, quite a example how to analyze eclipses and correlate with the sustainer point planet. So source, aligner, and sustainer, and eclipses and axis, and you can get the result where the area is being impacted. Here the area was impacted, the Pisces sign, 12th house, lockdowns, hospitalizations, deaths, everything in this sustainer. So I hope you friends got my message about my this concept. Apply it, you will find good results, and let me know. And please do encourage me to make some more such small, informative my work, which gives me some result, and I would like to share it to my friends if they feel they are getting something. I'll be very much happy and encouraged. So thank you for giving me time, and see you soon.